Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can reset your Snapchat without your username. This guide will take less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. In case you have forgotten your Snapchat username, this is how you can do to reset your password or your account. Open your browser, type in Snapchat support. You will see Snapchat support by Snapchat itself. Go ahead, tap onto it. And in here, select My account is compromised. Wait for this to load. At the section, if you scroll below, you will see a form-like page. Here under your username, don't type in anything. Under your email, type in the email address associated with your specific Snapchat account. Once done, type in your phone number if it is related with your Snapchat. If not, you can leave this as it is. And on the description, and type in that for some reasons you cannot access your Snapchat account, neither do you remember your Snapchat password. And if you have your friend's username, you can also type in theirs and mention they are your friends on Snapchat and simply request a customized solution to the email address that you have mentioned here and select submit. All you have to do is wait for 24 hours or more business days and they will send you a customized solution. If it had helped you in any ways, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for daily tutorials. If you want guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and question. The link is right down below.